Welcome back. My name is Athena from Dreamforge Academy, and I will guide you through this lesson. You have 5 circled tasks from your time audit, and instinct says automate the biggest one this weekend. Resist. Picture the owner who wires AI straight into customer quotes, watches it misprice a job, and spends an afternoon repairing a customer's trust. The tool gets shelved, and the whole idea dies. At this stage, the expensive mistake is not choosing the wrong tool, it is choosing the wrong task. This checkpoint lesson gives you a scorecard that finds the work actually worth automating first. The AI use case scorecard rates every candidate task from 1 to 5 on 3 dials. Value is hours saved times frequency, and your audit's hours column is the input. Risk asks 4 questions. Is it customer-facing? Does it touch money? Does it carry legal or health implications? Is it judgment-heavy? Every yes pushes the score up, and your own review step pulls it down. Effort asks whether a general assistant can do it today with a good prompt or whether it needs new software. The first 3 wins rule. Start where value is high and risk and effort are low. 3 anti-patterns sink more first projects than any tool choice. First, starting customer-facing. Your earliest AI work will contain errors, so let them land on your desk, not in a customer's inbox. Second, automating judgment calls. If your audit flagged a task as needing your judgment, AI may draft but it never decides. Pricing exceptions, upset customers, and hiring stay yours. Third, automating something broken. AI accelerates whatever process you hand it, so automating a mess just gives you a faster mess. Fix the workflow first, then automate the fixed version. Paste this prompt into your assistant, then add 3 of your 5 circled tasks with their hours. The assistant walks each one through the scorecard. Value from hours times frequency, risk from the 4 questions, effort from how much setup it needs, then checks the results against the first 3 wins rule. Notice the instruction to challenge optimistic scores. Owners routinely underrate risk on tasks they are excited about. Calibrate against the worked example. Drafting invoice reminders you personally review and send scores 4, 2, 1, a textbook first win. Your checkpoint deliverable is a completed scorecard with a locked top 3. Draw the grid. 5 circled tasks down the side, value, risk, and effort across the top, then score all 15 cells. Circle the tasks scoring value 4 or 5 with risk and effort at 1 or 2. More than 3 qualifiers, prefer the lowest risk. Fewer than 3, take the next best low-risk task rather than promoting a risky one. Write the top 3 at the bottom, date it, and park the rest on a later list. Lessons 3 and 4 build directly on these. You now have the filter that turns an audit into a plan. Not every task deserves AI, and the wrong first project can shelve the whole effort, so score every candidate on value, risk, and effort, and let the first 3 wins rule pick high value, low risk, low effort internal work. Human review is your risk lever. AI drafts, you decide. Quoting, patient replies, and other high-stakes tasks are parked, not abandoned. They wait for the prompt systems and rules coming later. With your top 3 locked, the next lesson chooses the small tool stack to run them on. Thank you for watching. Follow along using the course material and complete the lesson assignment. I will see you in the next lesson.